So this young lady,
You can see money.
okay, she hasn't had this for a year, so this will be great. This is a little Botox that we're using today. All right, crunch down for me. Okay, not too bad, relax. So I can tell, crunch again, that she's had some over time because this would just be a little more intense, so just softens it just a little bit. So just a little bit in the lower procerus, and then just a little bit here. And I don't want to get that too high because I don't want to pick up frontalis muscle that lifts. You don't want it to look like that. And then go over here a tiny bit. These really superficial. I kind of come down here, just barely catch that one, but not too much. If you put a huge amount, then they kind of get a little shelf, and she'd come show it to me and say, I don't like that. I don't think she's ever done that, but I don't want it to happen, but they're easy stuff to fix if we need to. Okay, go ahead and look up for me. So really, I just want to make sure I don't get in her little vessel, and then she'll have a bruise for a day or two. Excuse me. There. And now we'll do a little nasalis. These aren't fun. A little sting. And then a little bit here. We'll do these ones over here. I've already kind of cleaned it. Smile for me. Really big squint that. Okay, so just her little Botox over time has helped. It's just made these just a little bit more subtle. And again, I am like an under injector of here. Look, actually I already did that. And then a little bit here to lift the eyebrow. Okay, and we'll do the forehead. Raise your eyebrows for me. So please raise that again, miss. So when these kind of extend over here, sometimes I'll just do little bits because I sit and watch Hallmarks and I just see who has good Botox and who doesn't with my wife. She's not looking at the Botox, but I am. Every single lead lady on there has Botox, and they actually most of the time do a good job, but sometimes they like miss these creases clear up here. But I don't.
Never do. 30.
You turn your head this way. All right, and then raise your eyebrows again. Okay, little injection here. So even though I am wide over here, I'm kind of high. And some people do bigger spots wider apart. I kind of end up doing little tiny ones. Little micro dosing. So a little trick, you can almost do a little baby Botox here. Not much because I still want it to lift, and so does she. So you have to put hardly any. Turn your head this way, please. Here's that little bit, so I don't want to get into the vessel. All right. There's an interesting phenomenon. Raise your eyebrows for me. So since she goes curve and then back, she has I almost call it like when you do a picture of a bird that swoops up, down, and up. There's no muscle here. This is actually like an aponeurosis. It's like a fascia in between it. So I could put Botox here, but it's kind of wasted. So that's just, everybody's got a little different skeletal muscles in their forehead. But I could do right there. I didn't drip it. Okay, last little bit here in the nose. And I guess we are done. Have I done your chin?
Yeah, you have.
Can you grab me like 6, please? So I love doing the chin. You can see just at rest, she has a little puckering. It kind of pulls it up like that. It looks like a golf ball. And so I don't like it. So I just put a little bit there. And a little bit here. If she had more of a crease, it was so much that she formed a mental crease, I'd put it deeper. She doesn't have that. Have I done your upper lip?
Yeah, you have.
Okay, so I'm gonna need one more like tiny bit. These ones hurt, but they look great. I'll give you that, sorry. So go ahead and pull that off for 1 second. So really tiny amounts. These are like even like, ouch, half a unit. Not even that. I'm gonna do one more here. Ouch. Sorry, ouch. Okay, those are gonna look pretty. So with the last little bit, where do we put it? We're gonna put it right here. You know what? I think that's it.
Okay, thank you.